Hello everyone, I am Dr. Seema Bhosle, cataract and refractive surgeon at Lakshmi Eye Hospital, Panvel. Let's talk about refractive errors. So refractive errors are the condition of the eye when you need glasses to see correctly. So what does it exactly mean? It means that for anyone of any age group, right from a child in the younger age group to an adult, in them, the eye, whenever it is seeing something, the image does not fall on the focusing part of the eye, that is called the retina. So in this, it can be something which is called myopia, where the person is not able to see something at distance and the rays of light are focusing in front of the retina. Or it can be hypermetropia, where the rays of light are focusing behind the retina. So what happens is in myopia, they are not able to see long distance objects clearly. And in hypermetropia, people are not able to see close-up or near objects or near work comfortably well. And in patients of age group of 40 years and above, something called as presbyopia happens where near work becomes difficult, so additional near glasses are required. So for all of these conditions, the easiest way of treating is to wear spectacles to see comfortably clear. The other option that is common in the teenagers and in the adults is to use contact lenses to see comfortably well, which also gives you a cosmetic effect. For people who are above 18 years of age who have refractive errors can also have the option of getting their glasses corrected by undergoing a refractive surgery. So the difference between glasses, lens and surgeries is glasses is something that you can wear any time of the day, take them off and you'll not be able to see comfortably well. Contact lenses come with their own benefits and side effects. You need to take care of contact lenses when you're using the contact lenses. They can be worn only for 12 to 14 hours of the day. You cannot rub your eyes with the contact lens on. You cannot sleep with the contact lenses on. And generally in dusty, windy environment, you need to take more care when you are using contact lenses. With terms of refractive surgery, it is a permanent solution. So after refractive surgery, the quality and quantity of vision improves and you can enjoy a good quality of life without the need of glasses, and it's a permanent solution. So with the current lifestyle that we have and in the present scenario, we have a lifestyle which is more indoors, we are not stepping outdoors, and with the advent of use of screens for academic purposes, for entertainment and otherwise, the amount of near work that we are doing is kind of inducing a strain on the eye muscles, and we have seen in the past few years an advent of increase in the number of people who are seen with myopia, especially in the children and in the young adults. So this is definitely affected associated with the lifestyle changes that are there.